Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove a white background from a Word document. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to remove this white background from this document. We go to the design menu and click the page color option. Then choose any color to change or remove the white background from this document. Now I select the blue color and we can see here we removed or changed the white background from this document very easily. Otherwise you use another color. Again click the page color option and choose another color. Now we can see we removed white background from this document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.